Roswell Flight Test Crew here at CES 2016, and I'm talking to Michael Dotson with AEE, and you guys have got a really sweet looking new aircraft here. Why don't you tell me about it?
Absolutely. What we've got here is our newest model. It's called the A20, and the A20 is the latest in our high-end consumer drone line. And what we've got here is we've developed an all-new camera and gimbal system. We also have added an indoor flight modulator so that it can now be used indoors as well as outdoors. It can sense where the ground is, and it gives you increased stability indoors, which has traditionally been a problem. It has an entirely new lighting system for when the lights are on, and very significantly, it has retractable landing gear. So it can be, the landing gear, when the drone comes off the ground, can be retracted manually, or it will do it automatically at 5 meters once it goes up, and then landing gear will come down at 5 meters before it lands.
I love retracts on an aircraft that small. That's a nice feature.
It's nice, and once it's retracted up and once it's in the air, it's really a very clean profile in flight.
And you've got this incredibly cool controller here. Why don't you tell me about that?
Absolutely. What we've got here is a controller that is essentially two controllers in one. This centerpiece pops out, and this can be used for the follow me feature if you want it to just follow you at 45 feet up. It also, because this drone has autonomous flight, you can program in waypoints and then take this out, press a button to launch it, press a button to have it land. Everything else is automated. You can then take the center unit and put it into the controller and use it as traditional controls for semi-autonomous flight.
Got it, got it. Now, of course, the burning question with a ship this cool is when do you expect to release it and what's it going to cost?
Well, the fingers are crossed that we'll have it in here by late Q2, certainly well in time for Christmas. And regarding the cost, we're still working on it, but we know what we're up against competitively, and we're up for that challenge as well.
Outstanding, outstanding. Now, just briefly, AEE, you guys aren't just about these little drones, although you've released quite a few of them. You've got some big ships here as well, and you guys do all your own engineering. I mean, you're a full-service company.
We started out as a camera company. We make small format cameras similar to GoPro cameras, and we were doing it before GoPro was even in business. One of our core businesses, it's our commercial drones, and we have them here that sell for as much as $250,000, capable of carrying 20-pound payloads that are used for military, law enforcement, first responders, that kind of thing.
Fantastic. Well, Michael, thank you so much for taking the time.
No problem. Pleasure.
All right, and from CES 2016, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off.